Cherokee Landing Park. We got in the Cove. These all have full hookups and 30 amps, I believe. Some of them are pretty narrow, and some of them are really short and not real level. You can compensate. We found a level spot on ours by backing all the way up to the back.
Feisty Kitty. Ooh, my Feisty Kitty. Ooh, my Feisty Kitty.
Movie night! Maybe
Talented time. This means she's awesome.
off the enjoying his goodie night treats. The kitty is sleepy on the top bunk while we have our movie night. Hello, Asti baby. Okay, this is Cruiser Hannah's product review of Haribo Sketty, Sour Sketty. Okay, so Haribo took the three most popular flavors that people love the most. And they skipped lemon, and they skipped lime, and they skipped peach, and they went straight for the green apple, the blueberry, and the strawberry. And made it sour. I'm gonna have to give this a yes. This is absolutely a yes. We have a big community fire pit. Doesn't look like it's been used this season. Probably for good reason. It's really pretty. Lots of trees. Cool breezes. This is a game I don't know how to play. These sites over here look like they have water and electric. Lots of trees. Nice cool breezes. Okay, so there's the yes, it is bathrooms. We got some nice long level sites over here across from the bathrooms. Oh look, the dump station right next to bathrooms. I'm guessing it looks like a loop around. Loop in, empty your tank, and loop back up. Bathrooms are nice. Typical. Reminds me of like Girl Scout camp. Old school, but very clean. I think these are tent sites. It looks like room for a car and maybe a tent site slab back in the back. The grill and electric and water. I guess if you had a small trailer, you could do that one. This really cool looking tree that Dad and I found. We're going for a walk to head toward. Or a tent, or even a small 24-foot Class C or something would be pretty. This is number 30. It has a grill, but your water and electric is down that hill among. But if you wanted some privacy and a beautiful space and you have a little bitty rig and you don't mind crawling down the hill if you need water, you're good. Here's another one we like. This one looks really level and wide. Again, your water and electric are down the hill, not as far down the hill. There's no sewer on this one, but most of the sites here are not full hookups. Most of them are just water and electric. This is site number 32. But there's no one over here near you. You have this beautiful venue down here, and that site next to you is tiny, tiny, tiny. You might be able to fit like a love bug in there. Read again. What's the sign say, Dad?
Feisty Campground.
Which way is it?
Don't say.
Okay.
Swimming pool.
Which way is swimming pool? Okay.
Putt-putt golf course.
Which way is that? Okay.
Comfort Center.
Which way is that? That's
Ain't lying.
okay. So we came out of our cove. We went left down the road, and at the end of the road we have the basketball hoop single on grass, and I'm not sure what that is. We'll find out in a minute. And the pool, which is closed, of course, because of the virus. So this is actually putt-putt. It's old school putt-putt, just with several small putting greens. Not fancy, but it's very clean. Looks like, especially as old as it is, it's really well maintained. And the gate's open, so I'm guessing it's open if you have your own clubs. We'll find that out later too. We have volleyball. Hey Hannah, there's one of those flowers at each thing. So we noticed one of these, I think it's some type of nettle, over at the basketball hoop and then at the miniature golf. And Hannah went and took a picture of the one at the miniature golf. This is the one here. Pretty. Not good to touch, but very pretty. Old school swimming pool still has a deep end. However, they have updated. Looks like they have a lift as well. Soda machine. Picnic areas. That's probably a hot tub back there in that back corner. And a pool that, of course, is not empty. And not open. It's completely empty. This will be first campfire night.
Leave your daddy and I'll get back up there and down. He's got this corner. He said, nah, I'm not going out there.
Really?
Yeah. That's a pretty skate.
Talking cats. There will be.
That is a very pretty skate.
How are we doing? Ah, it's the beautiful angel Hannah. Is she Lucifer? Is she Raphael?
By the moon, by the moon, by the silvery moon. Vive la France! Hallelujah, Hannah.
Oh, that was cool. Got the little eye thing going on Hannah for a second there.
Yeah.